previously.
God, man. Like, it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
I have no words to even describe how amazing this looks.
Happy?
Dude, beyond happy.
I got the strap. I gotta carry him.
He goes, yeah, I got this stock STI for you to wrap. And then he shows up with this. Does this look stock to you? Does that look easy to wrap?
That bumper looks super easy.
Yeah, no, that looks super hard. But it looks fun. It looks way fun. So we're gonna be wrapping this thing.
Mitch, how you like that bumper?
Johnny's gonna love it.
I tried to unload as much as I could.
It's hard, but it should be fun. I don't think it's something we can't do. But it is the hardest probably kit we've done on any of these WRXs or STIs. It's very intricate, and I'll talk about intricacy. We'll go look at it. I mean, even the side skirt. There's a lot of inlays and overlays that are gonna have to be done to make all those bends. But I'm not concerned about that. Maybe these over here. So all of these bends right here, all of these are gonna be their own pieces to make this work. So we will see. The good thing about this car is we've already had time with it. He's came in to get a roof wrap at first, and we sold him on a hood wrap, and we sold him on a wing wrap and a trunk wrap. So we basically wrapped the whole top part of the car. Now we just got the sides and bumpers to do. So it should move fast with the exception of the bumpers that are crazy. But we'll show you the whole process. I really want to show you thoroughly what we have to do to wrap this, because if you look at it, it's not going to be easy. It's not a standard bumper like that over there. I mean, just look at the comparison. These are the same cars. Same exact cars. This has the ChargeSpeed front bumper. I believe that's what it is. It's ChargeSpeed. You want to accent it with anything? You want to do like black? You want to do any colors in it?
I was actually going to see on your opinion on this, but I know I want to go with the satin gray and black.
Okay.
With possibly, remember how we did like that red pinstripe? Probably implement some lime green to match the calipers.
Okay.
Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Johnny Tsunami. Today my main focus is gonna be this really dope WRX here. It's got the carbon hood that we already wrapped, roof that we already wrapped, wing and trunk that we already wrapped previous to this. So the customer went ahead and got all these different pieces wrapped, and now he wants to go ahead and do the full car. So that's what we're gonna do for him. And I'm just gonna start off by prepping this fender here. It's gonna be a pretty much straightforward process. I need to get it alcohol wiped and tack cloth, and then we're ready to wrap. So let's do it. All I gotta do now is get the tack cloth and we rolling, son. Hey yo, Cannon, what are you doing in our toolbox, bro? Aren't you supposed to be on that side?
I'm jacking your blades right now.
What do you mean?
Jacking them.
Don't you guys have your own?
No, we only have the dual ones.
Wow.
Yeah, so I'm jacking one. For
Yeah,
you guys.
because the wrappers definitely don't need the...
No, you guys just use your hands.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's pretty much how it is 95% of the time. Either Dope, and apparently Dope's teaching Canon the ways, but they just come in here and take all of our tools, all of our stuff that we need, and we just gotta order more. We don't mind, we like to share, ain't that right, Canon?
Yeah, well, I mean, we like to share. I don't know about you guys.
Okay, all right. I pretty much got it all laid. As you guys can see, everything came out super clean. There's no creasing in the material. There's no glue lines. It looks good. I didn't just stretch everything into place. Definitely a great way to warm up. Just with doing this here, I feel much more confident in starting on this whole side panel right now.
This right here. Oh wait.
Yeah, let's not do that. Yeah. Hey, Dope, what the heck are you doing, bro?
Oh, it's on your chair ladder thing.
You know what, bro? It's fine. Just leave it there. Shannon already took a lot of our blades, so I'll just, okay.
Oh, wait, how many did it take?
Who knows?
How many was there left, Cannon?
I can't count that many. There's a lot in there still.
So
Okay.
Kenny's not actually capable of counting up to 5, so.
Dang, shots fired. So there goes my stool. Yeah, I definitely didn't need that. So as me and Edwin were just discussing right now, basically trying to find a plan of attack for this bumper. Obviously there's going to be a lot of parts that are going to have to be inlaid and stuff. It's just going to be a tough one because there is so many different creases and recesses in there. It's going to be definitely a tough bumper. It all just takes good planning and hopefully we can get through it. And other than that, once all the inlays are done, it's a pretty straightforward bumper. So I'm excited to finish it. No way to finish it unless we start, so let me get to it. I'm pretty sure this has taken me about an hour. This is the easy part of this bumper. So I'm gonna keep going at it, see what I could accomplish today, and then probably have to come back later tomorrow and start on it tomorrow. But I'm gonna keep going at it like I said. Hopefully I can get a little more head on this bumper, and it is tough. Got done with this side. As you guys can see, this is all laid in the satin dark gray, and this is what it looked like before. So everything's laid, everything's got set in and nothing got like pushed down or anything. So what I'm going to do now is just post heat all the edges, make sure nothing's lifting up. Once all the memory of the material's all killed off, start the trimming process. This is basically what it's going to look like right before everything gets trimmed down. So as you guys can see, I'm working on the back bumper here. So we did run into some issues with the front bumper. There was a lot of different recesses and parts that were not prepped right as far as, you know, coming from the fabrication of the actual bumper itself. As far as us getting it perfect, it was gonna be a little too difficult, so we went ahead and sent it to our custom paint shop, body shop that we have. They're gonna go ahead and spray it for us and make the job a lot easier for us. It's a show car, so we wanna make sure that the customer gets something he's very happy with. So we just got this bumper back from paint. So we had it painted in jet black, basically because the customer wanted us to window this area. We were gonna do it in a bunch of different inlays, but it ended up not working out just because it didn't look as clean as we wanted it to. This is gonna be a project for me because even though everything's already painted, it's still a very difficult bumper. So hopefully I can borrow Edwin or somebody, we can get this dialed in. And once I'm done, the whole car is gonna be pretty much finished.
Put the place up, yeah, we know what we made of. Can't get enough of you, boo, I'm a chaser. Face up, now I feel a little
Stained black, this whole bottom piece is stained black.
Yep.
These are stained black, and that's it, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Stuff.
I just want to make sure we were on the same
We're
page.
just like, all right, yeah, that's good.
All right, cool. Yeah, let's do it.
All right, cool, get out of here.
Are you,
Like,
are you
hurry.
gonna one piece this or what?
Yeah. Yeah, I was actually gonna do a cut here and then do the piece after. It won't make a difference.
Alrighty. So I think we're set there.
folks to break the best. Come on, get your ass up if you're slipping. Get another smile like it was the last Christmas. Hey.
I'm gonna put this thing back together because we're gonna try to deliver it tonight. So let's snap this thing together and get it on the road.
Put the place up. put the place up. Yeah, we know what we made of. Can't get enough of you, boo, I'm a chaser. Face up, now I feel a little major. Blink of an eye, ego, I'ma take her, shake her. Yeah, she was a born shaker, she shake me out that door to no place. Damn, why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you stabbed me in the back. Something like a
Damn. That's tight, right?
Stupid beautiful. Oh, my bad. Oh my god, dude, you guys weren't kidding. When Mitch told me about the line work being like popping out all crazy, I wasn't expecting it like this. This
Right.
was like beyond.
Everything pops now, right? All the body lines, everything pops.
Oh my god.
The side skirts, the way that. Dude, look at the diffuser.
Yes. Is it? Oh my god, it's beautiful.
So we did gloss black on the
Yeah.
flat side, and then we did the color match in the middle. Something different, but I think it looks
It looks good. It looks really good.
previously.
God, man. Like, it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
I have no words to even describe how amazing this looks.
Happy?
Dude, beyond happy.